Cheese. It's a word that brings to mind a myriad of flavors, textures, and culinary experiences. From the simplest snack to the most elaborate gourmet dish, cheese has a place in our hearts and on our tables. It's a staple on cheese boards and in sandwiches. Whether it's a quick lunch or a sophisticated appetizer, cheese elevates the experience. But cheese is more than just food. It's a symbol of culture and heritage, a product of centuries of tradition and innovation. It's a testament to tradition. Each wheel of cheese carries with it the history of the land and the people who crafted it. It's a blend of art and science. The precise measurements, the careful timing, and the skilled hands all come together to create something truly special. For centuries, cheesemakers have transformed simple milk into a vast array of textures and tastes. Each type of cheese offers a unique experience, a different story to tell. From the sharp bite of cheddar, which can add a punch to any dish, to the creamy richness of brie, perfect for spreading on a warm piece of bread, each cheese tells a story. A story of the region it comes from, the climate, the animals, and the people who make it. This story starts with humble ingredients, milk, cultures, and time. But these simple elements are just the beginning. The process is a delicate dance. Each step requires precision and care, from the initial heating of the milk to the final aging of the cheese. Temperature, humidity, and even the slightest variation can impact the final product. The environment in which the cheese ages is crucial to its development. Cheesemaking is about understanding these nuances. It's about knowing when to intervene and when to let nature take its course. It's about respecting the ingredients and the traditions passed down through generations. Many cheesemakers continue to use methods that have been in their families for centuries, but it's also about embracing innovation. Modern technology has allowed cheesemakers to refine their processes and ensure consistency. Today, technology plays a crucial role in ensuring quality and consistency from farm to table. Advanced equipment and techniques help maintain the high standards that consumers expect. The journey of cheese starts at the farm, where the story of every delicious bite begins. Cows graze on pasture, their diet influencing the flavor of their milk. The lush green fields provide a rich and varied diet, which is essential for producing high-quality milk. The type of grass, herbs, and flowers the cows eat can subtly change the taste of the milk, adding unique flavors to the cheese. Farmers milk the cows, ensuring cleanliness and quality every step of the way. This process is done with great care, often by hand or with the help of milking machines, to ensure that the milk remains pure and uncontaminated. The dedication of the farmers is evident in every drop of milk they collect. This fresh, raw milk is the foundation upon which all cheese is built. It is collected and stored with utmost care to preserve its natural qualities. The freshness of the milk is crucial, as it directly impacts the texture and flavor of the final cheese product. Modern technology plays a key role even at this early stage. Automated milking machines and advanced equipment help streamline the process, ensuring efficiency and consistency. These innovations allow farmers to produce high-quality milk while maintaining the well-being of their cows. Refrigerated tanks on trucks keep the milk cold during transport. This is essential to prevent spoilage and maintain the milk's freshness. The cold chain is meticulously maintained from the farm to the cheese-making facility, ensuring that the milk arrives in perfect condition. This prevents bacterial growth and maintains the milk's freshness. By keeping the milk at a constant low temperature, the risk of contamination is minimized and the quality of the milk is preserved. This step is vital for producing safe and delicious cheese. The milk arrives at the cheese-making facility, ready for the next stage in its transformation. Here, it will undergo a series of processes that will turn it into the cheese we all love. The journey from farm to facility is just the beginning of this intricate and fascinating process. The journey from farm to tank is short but crucial. Every step is carefully monitored to ensure the highest standards of quality and safety. The attention to detail at this stage sets the foundation for the entire cheese-making process. It sets the stage for the intricate process of turning milk into cheese. From the moment the milk is collected to the final product, each step is a testament to the skill and dedication of the people involved. The journey of cheese is a blend of tradition, innovation, and passion. Before the magic of cheese making can begin, safety comes first. Pasteurization is a critical step in the process. This process involves heating the milk to a specific temperature for a set time. Pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria that could be present in the raw milk. This ensures the safety of the final cheese product for consumers. While some argue that pasteurization can alter the flavor of the milk, modern methods minimize any noticeable change. Once the milk is pasteurized, it's ready for the next stage. This is where the real art of cheese making begins to unfold. The pasteurized milk provides a clean slate for the development of flavor and texture. With the milk safely pasteurized, it's time to introduce the magic makers, cultures, and enzymes. These tiny powerhouses are the unsung heroes of the cheese-making process, working behind the scenes to transform simple milk into a variety of delicious cheeses. These microscopic helpers are essential for transforming milk into cheese. Without them, the milk would remain just that milk. The cultures and enzymes initiate a series of complex biochemical reactions that are crucial for cheese production. Cultures are live bacteria that are added to the milk. These bacteria are carefully selected for their ability to produce specific flavors and textures in the final cheese product. These bacteria consume the milk sugar, lactose, and produce lactic acid. This process not only helps in preserving the milk, but also plays a significant role in developing the cheese's flavor profile. This acidification is what gives cheese its tangy flavor. The level of acidity can be controlled to produce different types of cheese, from mild to sharp. Different types of cultures contribute to the unique characteristics of various cheeses. For example, the cultures used in making blue cheese are different from those used in making cheddar, resulting in distinct flavors and textures. Enzymes are proteins that help break down the milk proteins. They act as catalysts, speeding up the chemical reactions that are necessary for cheese production. This process, called coagulation, is essential for forming curds, the building blocks of cheese. Without coagulation, the milk would not solidify into curds, making cheese production impossible. The type of enzyme used, such as rennet, can also influence the final texture and flavor of the cheese. Rennet is a traditional enzyme used in cheese making, but there are also vegetarian and microbial alternatives available today. Each type of enzyme brings its own unique qualities to the cheese, making the choice of enzyme an important decision for cheesemakers. Section 5. Curds and whey, separating the building blocks. As the cultures and enzymes work their magic, the milk begins to transform. It thickens and separates into two distinct parts, curds and whey. Curds are the solid, protein-rich components of milk. They will eventually become the cheese itself. Whey, on the other hand, is the liquid remaining after the curds have formed. Cheesemakers use a variety of techniques to encourage curd formation. This can include gently heating the milk or adding specific coagulants. The size and texture of the curds will vary depending on the type of cheese being made. Section 6. Shaping the future from curds to cheese forms. Once the curds have formed, they need to be shaped and molded into the desired cheese forms. This is where the cheesemaker's skill and artistry truly shine. Using specialized tools and techniques, the curds are cut, stirred, and pressed to remove excess whey. The curds are then transferred to molds, which will give the cheese its final shape. The molds can be round, square, or even intricately designed. Salt is often added at this stage. Salt enhances flavor and acts as a natural preservative, extending the cheese's shelf life. The cheese is now ready for its final transformation aging. Section 7. Patience is key, the art of aging cheese. Aging is a crucial step in cheese making. It's during this time that the cheese develops its unique flavor, aroma, and texture. Cheese can be aged for weeks, months, or even years. The aging process takes place in specialized rooms called caves, which are carefully controlled for temperature and humidity. As the cheese ages, it loses moisture, which concentrates its flavors. During aging, mold and bacteria continue to work their magic, breaking down proteins and fats. This process contributes to the complex flavors and aromas that cheese lovers appreciate. Section 8. Technology at the table, modern cheesemaking. While cheesemaking is steeped in tradition, modern technology has revolutionized the process. From farm to table, technology ensures quality, consistency, and safety. Automated milking systems and refrigerated transportation ensure the freshness of the milk. Advanced pasteurization techniques guarantee safety without compromising flavor. Controlled environments for aging allow for precise temperature and humidity regulation. Technology has not replaced the artistry of cheesemaking. Instead, it has enhanced it. Cheesemakers can now focus on refining their craft, experimenting with new flavors, and producing high-quality cheese for everyone to enjoy.